Hello, my name is Josh Crow. I'm the Food Safety and Quality Specialist for Quality Control Solutions. Today I wanted to bring you a video on packaging technologies and way to increase product shelf life using these technologies. Increasing a product shelf life is one of the top priorities for a food manufacturing company. It allows a product to be on the market for longer periods of time. It also allows for a better consumer experience. And lastly, it increases the profitability of that product. To help with this endeavor, manufacturers utilize packaging technologies such as oxygen scavenging, moisture absorption and humidity control, along with carbon dioxide and ethanol generation, and then also microbial property controls such as gas flushing and migration technologies. Uh, as one may already know, oftentimes the presence of oxygen in the packaging is the single greatest characteristic that limits a product's shelf life out on the market. Um, Oxygen can change the color, odor, flavor, and nutrient composition of a food system. With that, oxygen can also facilitate the growth of aerobic bacteria, um, molds, and insects. However, just purely removing the oxygen from the packaging system may not be a good idea. Um, because what happens is that this allows for anaerobic bacteria to grow, um, and including pathogens, which is a huge issue for your product. Moisture absorbing systems help to eliminate condensation and humidity issues associated with a product, and a company could incorporate things just as such as anti-fog packaging to help eliminate issues associated with high water activity uh, products, but it does not offer a protective system for that food system itself. So you're not getting any type of antimicrobial properties out of that. It's just purely usually used for looks. Humidity sachets are also successfully utilized within the industry to mitigate issues associated with meats and a variety of foods. And you've probably seen these before, and things such as beef jerky, or seaweeds, so on and so forth. Uh, the use of CO2 within a packaging system has shown to be successful against microbial growth, um, and subsequently increasing a product shelf life. However, um, some pathogens have been shown to survive these conditions. As one may expect, the use of CO2 can also be detrimental to flavors and can actually hydrolyze glucose in fruit systems, so it actually breaks down those glucose molecules. Ethanol has shown to be a significant has been a leader in the past, to increase shelf life when applied directly to a food system. This protective property is increased when packaging also includes a way that ethanol is continuously generated, either using a sachet or so on and so forth. Um, and food systems that incorporate ethanol generation have shown to increase their shelf life by approximately 66%. However, there is a downside to using ethanol, as care must be taken when implementing this solution, as a product will contain a higher ethanol content. So it's best used for foods that are going to be cooked where that ethanol content is removed. Um, when issues prohibit the use of other packaging technologies, antimicrobial packaging may offer the best solution. This can be accomplished with either gas flushing the packaging before sealing, or by using antimicrobial additives that actually migrate to the food system itself. Flushing incorporates the use of gas, such as sulfur dioxide, to resolve microbial issues. Migrating technologies have shown only small success in the industry because they don't necessarily migrate all the way to the food in some spots. However, one exciting thing that's coming around is the implementation of edible films. Has shown a huge success in controlling things such as Listeria monocytogenes and other pathogens that we now face. If you or your company are interested in incorporating some of these packaging technologies, or if you need some help solving some other food safety or quality issues within your manufacturing company, please give us a call or you can email us. Please visit our website at www.qualitycontrolsolutions.com. You can call me directly at 727-385-5503, or you can email me at info@qualitycontrolsolutions.com. I appreciate your attention in this. Thank you. Bye.